Students, today we will learn how to draw the graph of straight line. Suppose we have to draw the graph of straight line 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So here we have mentioned two methods to draw the graph of straight line. First method, since 2x plus 3y equal to 6, or we can write 3y equal to 6 minus 2x, or y equals to 6 minus 2x upon 3. We have randomly taken some values of x and we have calculated corresponding value of y. If we put x equal to 0, you can get y equals to 2. If we put x equal to 1, we will get y equals to 4 upon 3. Similarly, we have taken 4 to 5 points randomly for x and calculated the value of y on the basis of that values. Now we will locate these points on a Cartesian plane. Here is a plane. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. So first we locate the point 0, 2. 0, 2 means what? X is 0 and y is 2. So this point is 0, 2. Now we will locate 1, 4 upon 3. 1, 4 upon 3 means what? X is 1 and y is 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 means what? Slightly greater than 1. So this point is 1, 4 upon 3. Similarly, we can locate other points. Now last point 3, 0. Here x is 3 and y 0. X 3, y 0. On x-axis y will be 0 and on y-axis x will be 0. Now we will join these points straight and we can easily get the graph of 2x plus 3y equal to 6. This is one method to draw the graph of a straight line. Next, since we know that a unique straight line will pass through two given points, so why so many points? We can draw this graph with the help of 2 points only. So here we have taken only 2 points. See, if x equals to 0, if x equals to 0 will be here on y-axis. If x equals to 0, y will be non-zero here, and if y equals to 0, so you will get point on x-axis. So we put x equal to 0 and we will find the value of corresponding value of y for that, and next we will put y 0 and we will get corresponding value of x. On the basis of these 2 points only we can draw graph. So we have taken x equal to 0, y equals to 2. So 0, 2, 0, 2 will be where? x0, y2. x0, y2 will be on y-axis, x0 and y2. Next y0, x3 or x3, y0. So x3 will be where? x3, x equal to 3 will be on x-axis and y0, right? So this point is 0, 2. This point is 0, 2, and this point is 3, 0. Now we will join these points. these 2 points and we can easily get the same graph as earlier. Now I will take a typical example how to draw the graph of y equal to x and y equal to minus x. Suppose we have to draw the graph of y equal to x. If you take x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 0. If you take y equal to 0, you will get x equal to 0. One point is not sufficient to draw a graph of a straight line, because we know that through one point infinite straight lines can pass. So we have take one more point, x equals to 1. If you put x equals to 1, you will get y equals to 1. So we will locate these 2 points on plane x0 y0. x0 y0 will be where? On origin. x1 y1, x1 y1, ये हमारा x1 y1 है. ओके, x1 y1. So we will join these 2 points 0 0 and 1 1, and we can easily get the graph of y equal to x. Next, and we know that a straight line can indefinitely pass through both sides, so we have extended this line through back side, both sides. Next our graph is y equal to minus x. Now if you put x equals to 0, you will also get y equals to 0. X equal to 0, negative of 0 0, and if you put x equals to 1, you will get y equals to minus 1. So we will find these 2 points on a straight line, x0 y0 origin, x1 y minus 1, x1 y minus 1, this point x1 y minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, we will join these 2 points origin and 1 minus 1 to get the graph of y equals to minus x, and we have extended this graph towards both sides. Okay, so in this way we have got the graph of y equals to x, this one, and y equals to minus x, this one. Okay, thank you.